How to apply to Discover It Student Cashback Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Discover It Student Cashback Card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first website option, Discover It Student Cashback Card. Open it. You will land to this page. Now over here, you will see the option of apply. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you can easily apply for the card. First up, you can go ahead and select the card design, then provide the details of yourself. Fill up all the details and agree with the terms and conditions of the card. Likewise, go through the terms and conditions with the card as well. And once you're done, you can submit the form. And with that, you have just applied for the Discover It Student Cashback Card. So this was really simple and quick process. This way you can easily apply to Discover It Student Cashback Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.